Unit 14B. 6 work orders in 3 months. Your HVAC fails on a Friday night. Your go-to plumber keeps leaving jobs unfinished. These are not bad luck. They are patterns. An AI can see them before they cost you thousands. Today, we are breaking down how property managers are using AI to analyze maintenance history, flag problem units early, and stop expensive surprises before they happen. Here is what reactive maintenance is actually costing operators right now. Let's start with the zero-cost entry point every property manager can use today. You do not need a software subscription to get started. If your maintenance records live in a spreadsheet, you can paste that data directly into ChatGPT and ask it to find the patterns. Here is a prompt that works. You ask it to analyze your maintenance log, identify units with recurring issues, flag vendors with poor completion rates, and surface any building systems showing repeated failures. An Atlanta property manager with 80 units ran this exact prompt and discovered one vendor was responsible for 40% of all callback requests. That single insight saved the company from renewing an $18,000 service contract. One prompt, one afternoon, real money back in your pocket. The ChatGPT approach is a great starting point, but it has real limits. You have to export data manually, run it yourself, and there is no ongoing monitoring. As your portfolio grows past 50 or 100 units, you need tools that work automatically in the background every single day. Now let's look at the purpose-built platforms that do this work automatically. Field Proxy is an AI-powered maintenance operations platform built for property portfolios. It triages incoming issues by trade and urgency, routes work orders to the right contractors automatically, and tracks vendor performance across response time, completion quality, cost efficiency, and callback rates. For a company managing 300 or more units, Field Proxy gives you a live dashboard showing exactly which vendors are underperforming and which building systems are generating the most work orders. Operators using it report a 30 to 40% reduction in emergency escalations, because the AI catches patterns early and reroutes work before small issues become major repairs. The numbers from operators running Field Proxy across large portfolios speak for themselves. Property Meld took things a step further by acquiring the Mezzo AI platform and building Max, a virtual maintenance technician. Max diagnoses issues from resident descriptions, photos, and videos, drawing on a database of over 75,000 identifiable maintenance problems. For a single-family rental operator managing homes across a metro area, Property Meld centralizes every work order, categorizes the issue automatically, contacts the resident, and coordinates the vendor. The result is 30% faster resolutions and a data trail that helps you spot which homes are becoming maintenance burdens before they start draining your NOI. One Dallas operator used this to identify 3 specific floor plans that consistently triggered plumbing work orders every 6 months, and got ahead of it with a targeted inspection program instead of waiting for the next call. Here is how work order resolution time compares before and after operators implement Property Meld across 3 key issue categories. HappyCo takes a predictive approach. The platform analyzes historical maintenance data across your entire portfolio to forecast equipment failures before they happen. Its inspection module uses photo analysis to identify issues and assess severity, while smart work order routing matches jobs to vendors based on specialty and past performance. For a large apartment community owner or commercial operator, Happy Property delivers real-time portfolio reporting with AI-highlighted trends. Instead of reviewing spreadsheets at the end of the quarter, your team gets an alert when a rooftop unit in Building A is showing early signs of compressor failure based on historical work order patterns. HappyCo has in-unit data on over 3.5 million rental homes, which means the AI keeps getting more accurate the longer you use it. The scale of HappyCo's training data is what sets it apart from generic tools. Let's make this concrete. Here is exactly what AI-powered maintenance analysis is catching for operators right now. Across all 3 of these platforms, there are 4 categories of problems that AI consistently catches before property managers do. Problem units with recurring work orders that signal a deeper systems issue. Underperforming vendors with high callback rates or slow response times. failing building systems showing escalating repair frequency before they fully break down, and least risk homes where maintenance volume is quietly destroying your NOI unit by unit. Here is how the three platforms stack up so you can match the right tool to where your portfolio is today. Here is the practical path to getting this running in your operation. Start by pulling your last 12 months of maintenance records into a spreadsheet and running the ChatGPT prompt we showed earlier. That gives you a baseline and your first set of flags. Second, identify your top 3 pain points. Is it vendor callbacks, specific problem units, or building systems with escalating repair counts? Third, match a tool to your portfolio size. Under 100 units, ChatGPT plus a basic work order system is enough. Over 300, look at Field Proxy or Property Meld. Large multifamily or commercial, evaluate HappyCo. Fourth, set up your vendor scorecard so every future contract renewal has performance data behind it, not just relationship history. The data you need to protect your assets and your margins is already sitting in your maintenance records. The property managers winning right now are not working harder. They are working with smarter systems. Book a free 15-minute AI audit, and we will take a close look at where AI can immediately reduce your maintenance costs, flag your problem units, and protect your portfolio. This is a working session built around your specific operation, not generic advice. Subscribe for more practical AI strategies built specifically for property managers.